The big advantage of staying in Kolkata is that you have access to the beautiful Kolkata Bhetki. Now you get a lot of white-fleshed, single-bone fish around the world, but there's something special about Kolkata Bhetki. Today we are going to do the recipe of Kolkata style fish fry, which is different from anywhere else that you get. You know, it's not a regular fish fry. So let's get on with the recipe, and later on we are going to tell you where you can get the best fish fry in Kolkata, and Anindya is going to talk about it. So what I have over here is about 9 fillets of Bhetki. This is not from a very big fish, it's about a 1.2 kilo fish. You can go to any fish market and you can ask them to fillet the fish for you. And this is looking a little off-colored because I had already marinated it before. I've washed the marination for the purpose of the video right now. The fillet that I have over here, some are thick and some are thin. I have done that on purpose because I'm going to do fish fry 2 ways. One as a regular fish fry, another one I'm going to do a sandwich. You can, it need not be very thick, because if it's too thick, it should be somewhere around this thickness is an ideal thickness. So now we are going to do the marination. Here is a paste of 1 small onion. Here is about a tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of ginger paste, and here is about 2 tablespoons of this is coriander paste, along with little bit of green chili, lemon juice, and some pepper and salt. I'll add the fillet to this and I'll keep it for about half an hour. Should do its fish. It doesn't need a lot of time to marinate. And you can't really put fish fry in any particular category of whether it's street food or restaurant food, because I think every Bengali restaurant serves fish fry, and a lot of street food places also have very good fish fry. I will keep this for about half an hour and then we will get to crumbing the fish and frying it. So we are going to make the crumbing station now. For that, first we will break 2 eggs. Now you might require 2 to 3 eggs. Okay, I'm not adding any salt to this. I'll add salt to the crumbs. So whisk the eggs. Yep. We'll need some breadcrumbs. So this more or less about 2 cups of breadcrumbs would be required. Add a little salt to the crumbs. Now the third thing that we require is flour. Now you can put this in a separate plate also, or you can add this to the fish. So I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of flour to this. So I'll rub the flour very gently. You don't want to break the fillet because these are quite thin fillets. Very simple process. Make sure that there is some marination stuck to the fish, and then pick it up and dip it in the egg. And next you have to crumb this with the breadcrumb. I'm going to use my dry hand to coat this once. You can use a spoon also. So the thing is that you can single coat this, you can double coat this also. So for double coating, this is a single coating. This is ready to fry. So I will double coat this and show you. So I'm dipping it again in the egg. Here you go. So make sure that every single part of the fish is coated in the breadcrumbs. So this one, we are going to put this on this, like any flat base, okay? And then basically with the knife, make sure the edges are smooth.
It has to be a perfect rectangle.
Need not be. Again, we are at home. We are not selling
so-
this.
A master craftsman will have this perfect.
No, I think, you know, when you are doing it at home, a little bit of imperfection always, you know, there's a little bit of rustic, home cooked feeling to this. Otherwise, you know, it's shop bought. So this is how it looks. So the other kind of fish fry that I said I'm going to do is that I'm going to make a sandwich with cheese. So here today I'm going to use cheese slice between two fillets. In that case, you have to take very thin fillets. But let me tell you, you can make it very interesting. What I had done in, you know, we had done this Bengali food festival at Mustard, Mumbai. And there, what I had done is that I had used Bandel cheese, which is a local cheese from Kolkata. It's a very salty, smoky cheese. So I had used smoked Bandel cheese, which I had grated, along with a little bit of coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves, and green chili pickle, and I had mixed that and I had used that as a filling. Now if you do not have access to Bandel cheese, you can do the same thing with feta cheese. You can try maybe blue cheese. You can try a lot of variety of herbs and different things as a filling, and it tastes wonderful. For that, you have to take equal size and shape of two fillets. So you place one fillet, then you add a cheese slice over it. Now you fold the cheese slice so that it does not go outside the edges of the fish. Okay, and then you take another fillet and you place it on this. So the same thing, carefully lift it up, dip it in the egg. This will require a little extra crumb. I'm going to do few of this and few of the regular fish fry, and then we will fry the fish. When your oil is reasonably hot, we will add the fish fry. This is turning nice and golden. So you have to reduce the temperature a bit while it's frying because we want the fish to cook from the inside. This is done.
So finally I get to eat again, earning the hard work. There is kashundi, there is salad, which makes the plate of fish fry complete. Now there are lots of places in Kolkata where you can get good fish fry. Top of the recall for me ideally would be Bijoli Grill, who makes something called the diamond fish fry, which is in the shape of a diamond. There is Chittodas fish fry also. There is Mitro Cafe. Two persons with whom I have interacted closely and must visit if you are coming to Calcutta. One is Mr. Prabhas Ghosh of Aponjon, which is in Sadananda Road opposite to Topon Theatre. It's more than 30 years old shop and its fish fry is very famous. Second is Shankarda. Perhaps he is the only person, Mr. Shankar Kaur, whose Shankar's Fish Fry. The store is located near Triangular Park next to City Mall, where in his signboard it's written King of Fish Fry. A very humble man. Go and have a chat with him. He will tell you loads of fish fry stories. As of now, I need to enjoy my fish fry. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to make the subscribe button from red to grey. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever we publish a new video, you get the notification. Share, comment, like, spread the love. Thank you.